Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to check your internet speed using Netflix. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Tap on the My Netflix option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on the App Settings option. In the About section, you can see the Internet Speed Test option. Tap on it. Once you tap on the Internet Speed Test, a new page will appear and Netflix will automatically check your internet speed. Just wait a moment and you will see the results displayed on your screen. And that's it. This is how you can check your internet speed using Netflix. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.